Hi everyone, welcome back to Pramu Craft Studio. Today I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful handmade epoxy resin hair clips using colorful glitter and cute polymer clay flower slices. For this project, I'm using epoxy resin and hardener, polymer clay flower slices, colorful glitter and confetti, hair clip molds, and metal hair clip findings. First, I carefully mix the epoxy resin and hardener according to the recommended ratio. I mix them slowly and gently to help reduce air bubbles. Now it's time for my favorite part, decorating. I added some colorful glitter and cute polymer clay flower slices into the resin. I placed them carefully to create a pretty floral design. Next, I poured a small layer of clear resin into each hair clip mold. Using a toothpick, I gently moved the flowers and glitter around until I was happy with the arrangement. Once the pieces were fully cured, I gently removed them from the molds. Look how shiny and beautiful they turned out. Then I added a thin layer of resin to the back and attached the metal hair clip findings. I left them to cure again until they were fully cured and securely attached. And here are the finished epoxy resin hair clips. I love how each clip has its own unique floral design, colorful sparkle, and glossy finish. I hope you enjoyed watching this DIY with me. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Pramu Craft Studio for more DIY resin and handmade craft ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!